This is OnePlus Open 5G, and today I'll show how you can troubleshoot the Wi-Fi connectivity issues on this device. So I recommend that you begin by launching your system settings, or your device's settings rather. Here enter the very first category that you'll see, that is Wi-Fi, and first try toggling the Wi-Fi off and on. And if the problem that you are experiencing is related to a single Wi-Fi network rather than to a Wi-Fi feature in general, you might want to forget the network you're having issues with. So first let me connect to some Wi-Fi network to show how you can forget it. So once you have a saved networks and you have identified the Wi-Fi network that you would like to try forgetting, go into the network details page by tapping at this eye icon, or about this network page. Here press forget, remove, and then reconnect to the same Wi-Fi network and see if it will resolve your issue. Then what you might also want to do is to make sure that your time and date are set correctly, or to put it in other words, properly synchronize date and time. And the way you do that is, well, go into settings, additional settings, then date and time, and here switch on the set time automatically and set time zone automatically options. If that didn't help either, your best bet is to reset Wi-Fi preferences, or on this particular phone you will need to reset network settings in general. And well, in order to do that, once again you will need to launch the settings app. Here enter the additional settings category again, then go into backup and reset phone, reset network and Bluetooth settings, then confirm, and here you have it. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So should you have any further questions, leave them in the comment section below. But as for now, thanks for watching and bye bye.